today another day of the vlog. So I've got leather trousers. I'm not sure which jacket I will just wear, but I hope that day will be incredible. It is so nice and sunny, not as hot as yesterday, but still really nice. So I done my makeup and I think it is just okay. My hair, I think that this shampoo and conditioner, it is really good. I really love it and my hair looks really okay on the next day. The shine, it is really good. So I really love it and I can recommend you this. This is the Gorgeous Grow really intelligent shampoo and conditioner. Okay, time to wear something and just go to Gdynia. I would like to tell you that this point of the view from this balcony, it is really good. We can see the neighbors there, so you know, hello, good morning. I would like to quickly show you my jacket, which is new, and I really love this jacket. Look, it is really just leather. It is just wonderful. It is a bit oversized, but this is size extra small. I really like it. The idea of this, like the patchwork leather, I just love it. And I saw similar jackets, really expensive, so I am so happy that I've got this jacket today. But I think it is a little bit too cold for the just jacket like that. I have to change for the coat. Final look will be with mine own jacket, which is green, and the beige bag because I didn't take any bag with me. Just the white top, and under I've got grey and the black trousers and boots. That they are flat, but I've got also the heels. Yes, it's gonna be a secret video too. Okay.